Much, Jonathan Hanson. The time is now, everybody, case or no case, and there's only one man for the job. He's joining me now, making me look bad over here. He's better dressed. He's a smarter guy. He's a lawyer. He's on billboards. Lou Cairo from GWC Injury Attorneys is here with me. Lou, it's great to have you back.
Thank you very much, sir. Pleasure to be here.
Yeah, so we're going to put them to the test today, see what they know. Today we got 3 cases that we're going to determine if they are a case or if they're not a case. And Lou, we're going to be putting Felicia and Carly to the test because I would definitely fail. These are the 2 smartest ones, so we're going to test to see if they get the answers right. And today, we are talking about a first date that goes terribly wrong.
Yeah, you ladies should be able to pick up on this one, because you'd have seen this one coming really right off the bat.
Okay. Our spidey senses are tingling.
Yeah, this is a young man who wants to really impress somebody on the first date, and he just has a menial job, doesn't own a car. The boss is out of town. He borrows the boss's Mercedes. He takes this beautiful young lady to one of the high-end steak places in Chicago, and everything is going great. He's got her convinced. He's a high roller, fast car. You know, he's one of those tools, right?
Yeah, this is a case already. Okay, lying about this bed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Case.
So everything's going great until the valet captain comes in and, sir, I'm so sorry. A drunk driver just destroyed your Mercedes.
Oh. Yikes.
And the guy's response is, oh my God, I'm going to get fired. My boss is going to kill me. Well, the cat's out of the bag, right? The woman goes, oh, so you're lying to me? She goes flying out. He's chasing her. They get to the door, and he just tries to stop her to explain. He grabs her arm, right? Well, he doesn't know she has this disorder.
Case.
Hang on, I haven't told you what's happening
sorry.
here.
I mean, the story is already too much.
No, this is dramatic. But I'm like, tell me,
this kind of stuff really happens.
Okay.
So, breaks her arm. So, first question, does she have a case against him when he had no intention to harm her? He didn't do anything like mean. He was just trying to stop her so he could explain, and did not know about her disorder.
Sounds like a bad excuse. That sounds really painful.
I agree with both of you.
Case.
That was an easy one.
Yay!
It doesn't matter what your intention is. You're still
you can't
at
hurt
fault.
people. You can't grab people that hard.
Right. If it's a criminal case, intent is important. In a civil case like that, intent isn't. See, you picked up on that.
Okay.
So now the
I
next...
just felt wronged by that story, so I was like,
I know.
Lies.
Grabbing my arm like that.
Lies.
Well, here's the next question now.
Okay.
The guy is so upset, he gets in the car, it's destroyed, but he's driving it, and he is so distraught, he runs a red light and hits another car and injures 2 people. They turn around and they sue the boss. They say, hey, it's your Mercedes, this guy is your employee, and they sue the boss and say they want to get compensation for the pain, suffering, and disability.
I'm going to say no case, because it's not the boss's fault. He might own the car, but it's not him behind the wheel. So I think it's the person behind the wheel.
I feel like this depends on your insurance.
I'm not helping you on this one.
No case.
Okay.
I'm looking at Lou's face.
You're both right.
And, good.
And it's actually interesting. People have this misconception in their head that if you own the car, you're going to be legally responsible. If I let you borrow my car and you hurt somebody, I'm going to get sued, and that's not the law.
Okay.
You can sue the owner of the car if there's a problem with the car, there's a defect with the car, but you can't sue the guy just because he owns it. And this guy, the driver, like you said, he wasn't driving it, and his employee was not working in the course of his employment. So the fact that he was the employer didn't make a difference either. So you're both right on that one. Here's the last twist. You guys are great. Here's the last twist.
Okay.
Now the injured parties say, well, we're going to sue the guy driving the car because we know Larry, Larry the loser, it was the guy that caused it. But Larry has no insurance. So Larry says, well, the car, he is a loser. So the car's insured though. The owner of the car has insurance. But the insurance company that insures that car says, well, we're not covering you. We deny. The question is, they have a case against Larry for his negligence, but can Larry's boss, the owner's insurance company, are they responsible for the accident?
I'm going to say no case.
Felicia's going to follow suit.
I think. I'm not sure about this one, though.
Girls are 100% today. Now, here's the other thing that people don't know. This is something called permissive user. If you lend your car to somebody, if I say, here, Felicia, here's the keys, you can borrow my car, and you get in an accident, my insurance company is 100% responsible. I'm not, because I just let you borrow my car.
Okay.
But my insurance company is because you're what's called a permissive user. If you say, is Lou's around? No, Lou's in the green room over there. Well, here's his keys. I'm going to grab the keys. I'm going to take his Range Rover. I'm going to go Starbucks, and you get in an accident, my insurance company isn't responsible
didn't
because you
give
don't
them
have permission to use my car.
Oh, wow.
So that's the difference. And you girls are 100%.
Yeah.
Tell you what I was gonna say.
Better at this than the president's quiz earlier.
So,
Well, it's more important to know this stuff.
Would my insurance, if you didn't give me permission, would my insurance then be responsible, or I personally would be responsible?
Well, if you're driving your car, Carly's car.
No, your car.
If you're driving anybody's car and you do something wrong, you are personally on the hook.
Okay.
No matter
Okay.
what. The question is, if you have insurance on your vehicle at home, but you were using my car and you didn't steal my car, would your insurance cover me? Yes. Or would cover you, rather?
Okay.
It would. Would my insurance cover you on my car that you were driving? Yes, if you got permission from me. So you have to be a permissive user.
Got
Lou
it.
Cairo, thank you so much. Breaking down these complex situations for us here. Jordan, do you have something to say?
Three
I just,
for
I just came to see you guys. That's all. It wasn't about the education. I mean, it's my monthly treat.
Well, thank you for coming in. We always love
Thank
having you. And if you want more info on Lou, just head to gwclaw.com. And now over to Krista for a look at what's coming up.